Hey there, law aspirants. The CLAT 2024 results have been declared. Finally, a sense of relief after all the hard work. While there is excitement for some, there could be several disappointed faces as well. In this video, we will guide you through the CLAT result download process and make things simple for you. So let's dive right in. First, get a functioning laptop or smartphone and open the internet browser. Now, type in the official website address for CLAT 2024 results, which is consortiumofnlus.ac.in. Once you are on the CLAT results page, look for the button that says CLAT 2024 results and then click on it. Next, enter your details. You will need your admit card number, application number and date of birth. Double check everything before you move on. Once you have entered all the details correctly, click on the print scorecard button. The result will be displayed on the screen. Download and save it for future reference. Well, there you have it. A simple guide to download your CLAT 2024 results. And remember, it's not just about the outcome. It's also about the journey you took to get there. So, celebrate the hard work and keep pursuing your dreams. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such informative content, and we'll see you in the next video.